It's difficult to become a billionaire quickly. To start a successful business, you must put in a lot of effort, be committed, and be equipped with the necessary abilities. But if you take the appropriate actions, you might be financially secure by 2023. This video will discuss strategies that can be used to become a billionaire in 2023, such as investing in the right sectors, leveraging technology to create an innovative business, and taking calculated risks. Being a billionaire is attainable with the appropriate mindset and commitment. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Let's begin. Then, invest in stocks, cryptocurrency. Your financial stability and prosperity may increase as a result of investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. By purchasing shares, you could gain from rising stock prices and dividend payments. Both the potential increase in Bitcoin use and value of the coins you already own could be advantageous to you. Despite the fact that stocks and cryptocurrencies are both unpredictable and risky, they might both be excellent long-term investments with the right analysis and advice. In order to acquire stocks, research is crucial. It is crucial to comprehend the company's history, finances, and rivals. Understanding the workings of the stock market is also crucial. Making wise judgments may be aided by being aware of the benefits and hazards of stock investing. It's crucial to conduct research before making any Bitcoin investments. Understanding cryptocurrencies' underlying technology, their uses, and the benefits and drawbacks of investing in them is crucial. Understanding the Bitcoin market and how it functions is also crucial. You can use this information to inform your decision-making and learn about the benefits and drawbacks of investing in it. Develop a new technology or business venture. A fantastic strategy to boost your wealth and financial security might be to create a new technology or business endeavor. Even though it might be a dangerous undertaking, starting a new business can also be a wise long-term investment with the right research and advice. Understanding the market and the competitive environment is crucial for creating new technology or commercial ventures. By doing this, you can find opportunities and gain a competitive advantage. It is equally important to comprehend the company's financial situation as well as the dangers and benefits. Become an angel investor. An excellent strategy to boost your wealth and financial security is to become an angel investor. Making investments in startup companies is known as angel investing. By making investments in growing companies, you may profit from the expansion of the firm and the possibility for rising usage and acceptance of the good or service. Astounding networking opportunities and the ability to collaborate with like-minded businesses may also be made possible through angel financing. Start a successful side hustle. Creating a lucrative side business is a terrific strategy to boost your wealth and financial security. You can add to your principal source of income by taking on a side job. Anything is feasible, including starting an online business, working as a freelancer, or driving for Uber or Lyft. Starting a lucrative side hustle could allow you to take advantage of the extra money you make. Additionally, you may get knowledge and experience from it that you can apply to other areas of your life. Pursue a high-paying career. Perhaps the best strategy to boost your wealth and financial security is to choose a high-paying employment. You may gain from the higher salary and possibility for career progression inside the organization by choosing a high-paying career. You might be able to take advantage of additional work chances by utilizing the knowledge and abilities you gain via your trade. It is crucial to comprehend the labor market and the competitive environment. You can utilize this to investigate new employment prospects and decide on a profession with knowledge. Network with influential people. One of the most effective business tactics is networking. Making relationships with powerful individuals may be beneficial for career prospects, gaining access to information and resources, and other things. A strong network could help you advance professionally and even provide you with beneficial advice. It may take some time and effort to develop relationships with prominent people. The benefits could be substantial, but you must be persistent and patient. Attend industry events like conferences and seminars to get started, and introduce yourself to everyone who can help. Ask them questions and express interest in getting their answers. Keep in touch with new contacts and follow up. Don't forget. Social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter can help you establish connections with influential people. Follow the users whose content interests you and interact with them by giving them likes, comments, or direct messages on their posts. Introduce yourself and the reason you believe you could collaborate with them in your message. Negotiate better deals. A crucial business skill is negotiation. Effective negotiating may enable your company to obtain better prices on goods and services and increase revenue. It's important to analyze the situation before starting any discussions. Make sure you are familiar with the terms and conditions of the contract, as well as the going pricing for the goods and services you are interested in. You must be aware of your own limitations as well as the advantages and disadvantages of the other side. Be careful to talk accurately and clearly when bartering. Be prepared to compromise and properly articulate your position. Be firm but fair, flexible enough to consider alternative viewpoints, and fair. Keep a watchful eye on the opposing party's needs and interests. Finally, don't forget to allow room for future conversations. Start a high-growth business. Starting a business is a terrific method to boost your income and career. You need to be creative to start a business that can expand quickly and make big profits. Selecting the issue that needs to be resolved is the first step in developing a product or service. Make sure the market is big enough to sustain your business and big enough to accept your product or service. After choosing a product or service to offer, you should concentrate on creating a company plan that will promote rapid expansion. Find a way to set yourself apart from the competitors, whereas by providing outstanding customer service or a special product. If you want to make your firm profitable, you must also create a comprehensive marketing strategy and gather the required tools. To reach more clients, make use of the power of social media, website SEO, and other digital marketing strategies. Get involved with real estate. A great way to gain money and accumulate wealth is through real estate. Real estate investing can result in a reliable source of income and perhaps even long-term riches. There are various possibilities when it comes to real estate investing. You may buy a house to resell, take part in real estate development, or buy a rental home. It's crucial to conduct your homework and comprehend the advantages and disadvantages of each alternative before making an investment, because they could result in varying returns. Attending real estate seminars, speaking with seasoned investors, and networking with real estate experts can all help you break into the industry. In order to understand more about real estate investing, you should also study books, articles, and take classes. Make use of compounding's power. One of the best investment methods is compounding. Reinvesting your investment income allows you to earn even greater profits. Compounding may enable you to swiftly accumulate funds as well as generate significant wealth over time. Compounding is most effective when you make little investments frequently over a lengthy period of time. To make the most out of your money, choose assets that will yield the biggest returns. Diversify your holdings to avoid putting all of your financial eggs in one basket. Finally, remember to routinely monitor and keep an eye on your assets. If you have a strong investment strategy in place, compounding may work in your favor. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.